How to move my WeChat to another phone without losing conversations. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the WeChat app, and here on the bottom right corner, you can see me. So, just click there and click on settings. And here you can see chats. So, just click on chats, and on the second last option you can see chat history, migration and backup. So just click on that. If you want to migrate your chat, then click on migration. If you want to backup and restore, then click on backup and restore. Since I want to migrate, I'll click on migration. If you want to chat on PC, if you want to migrate WeChat on PC, then press on first option. If you want that on mobile, then press on second option. Now press on select chats to migrate. I don't have any chat, but if you have any chat, then just simply press on that and press on start, and your chats will be migrated without losing conversations. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.